Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting by getting both devices ready. Put the Homepod Mini and your Roku TV on the same Wi-Fi and verify both have recent updates. Now open the Home app on your iPhone or iPad and check HomePod status. On the Roku, go to Settings to confirm network and Bluetooth/AirPlay is enabled. Once done, keep your iOS device near the HomePod to speed discovery, and have the Roku remote handy for confirming prompts during the next pairing steps. Start playback on your iPhone, then tap the AirPlay icon in the playing app. Choose your Roku device from the list to send audio or video. After the Roku accepts the stream, open the Roku AirPlay and HomeKit menu and set the audio output to HomePod Mini if prompted. This routes sound from the TV to the speaker. Make sure volume and audio settings on both devices aren't muted. If you see multiple audio devices, pick HomePod to ensure the TV audio plays through the HomePod Mini. Finish by testing playback and listening for lip sync issues. If audio lags, adjust the Roku audio delay or turn on sound enhancement sparingly. If the HomePod disconnects or won't appear, restart the HomePod Mini, the Roku, and your router in that order, then retry AirPlay. Also verify the AirPlay password and Home app permissions. Mismatched accounts or restricted home settings can block pairing. If problems persist, remove the Roku from AirPlay devices and re-add it to clear pairing caches before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.